Hey everybody.
Good morning.
Good morning. It's Walkthrough Wednesday.
We are in Colonial Acres.
I know, y'all.
Oh,
Look,
Steph.
we had one of our really awesome agents call us and ask us to do this, and he is fired up. And I am fired up for him.
You know what he calls us, Stephanie?
I know. He calls us the dynamic duo.
In staff meeting at our company, which brings me great joy.
And what's really funny is I got a message from Big League Movers the other day, and guess what they called us? The dynamic duo. Yes, they did.
Hey.
So we're starting a reputation, Jennifer, and we're going to thank Dewey Dillard, who is the agent for this beautiful little house here on Essexshire.
Essexshire?
Yes.
In Colonial Acres. Hey, Colonial Acres, I mean, you are just smack dab in the middle of the city.
I'm gonna do a turnaround.
Smack dab in the middle of the city, close to 240, close to I-40, close to, what else are we close to? I mean, Poplar.
We're close to everything right here.
Right off the interstate at
That's Mount Moriah right there.
Established neighborhoods, but this house has been completely redone.
Yep, completely redone.
And this is
in 2011.
This is listed by Dewey Dillard. He's a good friend of ours. So this is Immaculate. I'm going to read what he wrote, Stephanie. This is Immaculate and well-maintained home in Colonial Acres, completely rebuilt in 2000. That is super close. Completely rebuilt in 2011, meaning updated HVAC, bathrooms, and roof. Beautiful hardwood throughout. I can attest to that.
Yes.
Except for the den. Tile floors in kitchen and bathroom, smooth ceiling, gas oven and range, spacious, nice porch, fenced backyard with nice patio, plenty of storage, one-car carport, big laundry room, and so much more. It's clean and ready to move in. There is a Japanese maple over there.
I know, we'll have to show it to him.
And I love, as we're walking in, Stephanie, let's show this covered carport. There's actually an entrance, I don't know if you can see it, to the side that goes into the kitchen, and I love that.
Right there.
And then you can access that cute patio.
I know.
Right there.
Can't wait to see it. Okay, so this is the front porch. Oh, look at that. Look how pretty that is right there.
Look at that.
And that.
What is that? I don't know, but it's pretty.
Kind of looks like a magnolia, but I'm not sure. Hey, Sophie. Hey, Joni. So yeah, we are, tell them the address again, 4949 Essexshire
Avenue.
In Colonial Acres. Y'all get ready for this. I mean, just get ready.
Brand new door. Look. Oh, Stephanie, look at those floors.
Sophie.
Hi. Sweet Soph.
Oh my gosh, y'all, look at these floors. And then the color of these rooms, I don't know what it is, but I love it.
And the
Look
light
at that
fixtures.
window. I mean, can you imagine just sitting here reading your book and looking outside? It's so cute.
I can.
I know.
I would love it. So pretty.
So pretty. Okay, so this is the main little living room when you first walk in. And then you got a dining room right here. Y'all, look how cute that is.
And the den right past that with the glass doors.
Yep.
Golly.
Yep. We'll go in here to the kitchen.
Look at this, Stephanie, and that gas stove.
I know.
And
now remember, this has been totally redone in 2011. So, I mean, they updated everything, and they made everything, it's like bigger and wider, and I don't know, it's just all beautiful. So pretty.
And if you know anything about houses built in this era,
yep.
This laundry room is absolutely going to make you swoon.
I know. And then here is a second living room. There's another access to the outside. We'll go outside in just a second. Another little living room area. And then y'all, I mean, you don't have laundry rooms in this area of town.
Well, and look, let me point this out too.
I mean, that's updated.
That makes us so happy.
It does. Hey, Joni.
So happy.
Yep. So good. So good. Yeah, let's go outside. We may have to. Is there a key in there?
Yep.
Let's go outside and look at this
and it
patio.
has a dog door stuff.
Aww.
look at this backyard and this little patio. She's got lights strung up out here. Oh, how cute. I love the brick color too. I don't think we talked
I know.
about that.
Look how maintenance free this grass in this backyard is. So nice. So nice.
Yes, looks good too.
Yep. It's a big old tree. But I bet it puts a lot of shade back here. And then here's that gate to the, and then the other door to the kitchen is right there. Hey, Anita. Anita is watching.
I'm just standing here holding the door, sipping my morning tea.
I know. So again, laundry room is a big bonus for this area. And then, hey, we're at 4949 Essexshire. Essexshire in Colonial Acres. I can't say the name of that street. That's where we're at, Anita. Okay, so then we got 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. And I mean, when you talk about closets, this place has got some closets. We got the first closet right there. This is bedroom number 1. So cute.
Love the wall color.
Love the wall color. Love the window. Got a closet right there. Big closet.
Mm-hmm.
And then we have bathroom number 1.
Mm-hmm. So nice.
Very nice. Very neutral colors.
Uh-huh.
Updated light fixtures. Updated cabinets.
Closet number 2.
Closet number 2 in the hallway. And then this would be considered the primary bedroom.
With an attached bath. I love these bedrooms because they have 2 closets.
I know.
2 of the bedrooms have 2 closets
Yep.
apiece.
I love the attached bath here.
Look at that. This is a great size room, by the way.
I know. I would totally let my daughter live here.
Yeah.
I don't want her to move out, but I would let her
I know
live here.
somebody that can help her.
I know. I wouldn't let her. I'm not ready for her to move out, but I would let her live here.
Look at these 2 closets.
I know.
Have we been in a house? I mean, gosh, all the houses we walk through are so clean. How do people do this?
I don't know, but this house screams to me young with roommates is what this house screams to me.
Oh, I love it.
I know. Young with roommates. Yeah. So what do y'all think? Isn't it gorgeous? I love this. This right here. This, when you first walk in, is so pretty.
It's just so bright and light, and I'm sorry.
No, you're fine. You're fine. Okay, let's talk about it. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms.
2 full bathrooms.
Yep.
Good size bathrooms.
Colonial Acres.
Redone.
Totally redone in 2011.
Super clean.
I mean, immaculately clean.
Lots of storage.
Lots of storage.
Precious backyard.
Neutral colors.
Right.
Smooth ceilings. I don't think you... there you go. I was like, oh, you can't see. Smooth ceilings.
Right here.
It's like me trying to find my phone yesterday. I wonder where my phone is. It's right there.
That's true. That's true. Did we tell them what this is listed at?
We did not. Go ahead, tell them.
$319,900.
What?
I know.
How's that possible? How's that possible? I don't know. $319,900. You call us,
Yep.
or you could call Dewey.
And tell them we sent you.
Tell them we sent you.
But really call us.
But call us first.
Hey, this is going to go quick.
Yeah, I hope so. I hope so.
Yeah.
Yep. And I hope somebody really sweet gets in here because it's perfect.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Happy Wednesday.
Happy Wednesday, guys.
Off to the next adventure.